If you've ever taken a great photo only to notice the dreaded red eye effect from the camera flash, don't worry. There's a simple fix. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to quickly and effectively remove red eyes from your pictures using Adobe Photoshop. By the end of this video, you'll know how to restore those natural eyes and save your favorite shots, even if Photoshop is new to you. Let's dive right in. The most straightforward way to fix red eyes in Photoshop is with the dedicated red eye tool. It's an automatic, reliable feature designed precisely for this problem, and it can make a world of difference with just a few clicks. First things first, go ahead and open your image in Photoshop. Once your photo is loaded, take a moment to zoom in on the eyes. You can either use the zoom tool or simply press Ctrl+ or Command+ on a Mac. This step might seem minor, but getting a closer view helps you work with more precision and makes the correction look much more natural. Think of it like a jeweler inspecting a gemstone. A tight focus lets you see every detail. Next, we need to find the red eye tool. Now, it's a little tucked away. Look to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Usually, the red eye tool is nested under the Spot Healing Brush tool, which has a Band-Aid icon. So, if you don't see the red eye tool right away, don't worry. Just click and hold the Spot Healing Brush until a flyout menu appears, and then select the red eye tool from the list. This part might take a second if you're new to Photoshop's menus, but once you've found it, you're set. Now, before we get clicking, let's check out the settings in the options bar at the top of your screen. You'll see sliders for pupil size and darken amount. By default, both are set to 50%, and honestly, that works perfectly for most typical images. Pupil size controls the size of the corrected area, and darken amount determines how intense the darkening effect is. You might want to experiment here if you're working with a photo where the eyes look a bit unusual, but I suggest starting with the defaults and adjusting only if you need a more subtle or dramatic fix, kind of like seasoning a meal. Start simple, then taste and tweak. Alright, let's apply the correction. With the red eye tool active, simply click directly on the red part of the pupil in each eye. Photoshop is smart. It automatically analyzes the area and swaps out the red with a more natural dark tone. Most of the time, a single click does the trick. But if you find that the tool didn't quite get the whole area, try this. Click and drag to draw a small square or circle around the full red eye region. When you release, Photoshop will scan the selected zone and make the adjustment. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries. Some photos are trickier, especially if there's glare or the red is extra bright. And that's really it. Your image should now show natural-looking eyes without that distracting red glare, and you can save your photo knowing it looks its best. This tool is a real lifesaver, whether you're fixing family portraits or pet photos where the flash was too strong. If you have any questions about using the red eye tool, or you're curious about other Photoshop quick fixes, drop a comment down below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I post easy step-by-step guides every week, so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and good luck perfecting your photos.